the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a sloth. Sloths are like the laid-back tree dwellers of the rainforest. They have a slow and deliberate way of moving and come in various colors. Sloths spend most of their time hanging from tree branches and munching on leaves. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a red fox. Red foxes are like the clever, rusty-colored tricksters of the forest. They have a bushy tail and can adapt to many habitats. Foxes are known for their intelligence and hunting skills. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a polar bear. Polar bears are like the snowy kings of the Arctic. They have thick, white fur to keep warm in the cold. These excellent swimmers are expert hunters and can catch seals from the ice. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is an owl. Owls are like the nighttime watchers of the woods. They have large, round eyes and silent flight. Owls come in various sizes and have incredible night vision, making them expert hunters in the dark. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a rhinoceros. Rhinos are like the armored giants of the savannah. They have thick, gray skin and a single horn, or two, depending on the species. Rhinos are known for their strength and are some of the largest land animals. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a chameleon. Chameleons are like the color-changing artists of the reptile world. They have a unique ability to change the color of their skin to blend into their surroundings. Chameleons have independently moving eyes and a long, sticky tongue for catching insects. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a gazelle. Gazelles are like the graceful sprinters of the African plains. They have slender bodies and are often light brown or beige. Gazelles can run at high speeds, leaping and bounding to escape from predators.
Hi friends, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to see more videos. Thanks for watching.